Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shipon. Today I show you another exercise. This exercise is very important for our carpal metacarpal phalanges and also bicep, tricep and deltoid. Now I show you how is the procedure of finger push-up. This exercise is divided three parts: starting point, main exercise, and construction of the muscle and included of muscle. Now first, your both hand finger, five finger fixed into the ground, straight to the shoulder, and your full body parallel and both leg backside of the ground and throw into the ground. And now start this exercise: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. In this way, you can do this exercise 10 times and 3 quarters, 10 is to 10 is to 10. And you do this exercise, you can develop your bicep, tricep, deltoid, and your carpal, metacarpal phalanges. Thank you.